is the first, yeah. I just inform the topic that you should learn, yeah. And then there are 6 that you should learn. And then just remember, yeah, the middle examination for English will be held next 2 weeks. So you still have time for preparing yourself. Okay, and then this is the exercises that we will discuss today. Ya, this one is preparation for English monthly test. Ya, jadi kita discuss latihan sebelum PH saja dulu because not all of your friends do the monthly test yet. So, let's go. Okay, the first one, Tura Ardra, please read the sentence.
Oh, yes. There are 2 voices in English. They are active voice and passive voice. Active voice is used to show interest in the subject of the sentence. However, passive voice is used to show interest in the
Okay, so
object.
active and passive voice. If you still remember or you already write the note ya, you can find this statement. Jadi ini ada yang di note ya. So active voice ya, that is show interest in subject. Jadi fokusnya itu ada di subject. Tapi kalau passive voice ya, the interest is on the object. Ya, karena passive voice itu kan dia subject and the object is changing place ya. Mereka bertukar tempat. Jadi objeknya yang ada di awal. Ya, that is the answer. Object of the sentence. Thank you, Tura Ardan. Next question, please. Rendra, read the next question.
Observe the sentence below. The sentence in the sentence is simple past tense. If we change the sentence into passive voice, the correct answer will be.
Okay, so here is simple past tense. If we change the sentence into passive voice, okay, so here I give hint or clue. Yeah, passive voice in simple past tense use was or were. Okay, because this is multiple choices. Yeah, I give a tips and tricks for you how to find the answers. The first one, my sister. So my sister here is the subject. Ya, atau orang yang melakukan tindakan sesuatu. Was is the predicate or kata kerja, the verb. And then her shoes is the object. Benda yang mendapatkan tindakan dari subject. Ya, because passive voice is focus on the object ya, karena passive voice adalah fokus pada objek, jadi object is in front of the sentence. Jadi her shoes ini akan ada di depan. So now just focus on the answers which start with the shoes. Ya, jadi this one the shoes and then this one the shoes. This one the shoes. Okay, you can disobey this one. Ya, ini di number C dicoret saja dulu anggap. Okay, and then you already have 3 answers here. Next, ya, so we can find was or were on the sentence. Ya, the shoes is singular or plural?
Plural.
Plural, good. So we will use were. Ya, kalau singular dia use was. So let's find. Oh, this one were. And then this one is. Oh, not the answer. And then this one, there is no was or were. So this one is not the answer. Okay, so that is the tips and tricks for me, from me ya. Jadi itu caranya untuk mencari jawaban kalau dia multiple choice. Ya, so it's easier a little bit for you. Kemudian nanti selanjutnya dia pasti sudah sama. Washed by my sister. So the answer is A. Okay, next. Okay, this one is the next. Please, Aura, read the sentence.
The tense Read the sentence below carefully. The tense used in the sentence in simple present tense. Change the sentence into passive voice. I eat a plate of rice.
Sorry telat, Miss.
Oh yeah, it's
A plate
okay.
of rice. A plate of rice is eaten by me.
Okay, wow, that's good ya. So the answer is C. Kenapa C? Ya, as I said before, I is the subject, it is the predicate, ya. This one subject, this one predicate, and then a plate of rice, fried rice is the object. Jadi, we need to find yang the start with a plate of rice. So you can see here there are 3 answers. And then because a plate of rice is singular, karena dia satu, so use is. Yeah, and then find this the sentence that consists of is. So it will be easier for you. Thank you, Aura. Next, I would like to ask Dede, read the next question, please.
Will is used to give a threat. The correct usage of will in giving a threat in the sentence below is
Oke, threat is peringatan, memperingati seseorang.
teacher. I don't know.
Okay, so I won't listen to anything you say. Okay, this one is not because this one is ketidakinginan, ya. And then I will go to your house and I will help you. This one is promises, ya, berjanji. Saya akan ke rumahmu, saya akan membantumu. And then the last one, if you don't stop, I will tell the teacher. So this one is consisting of threat or peringati, memperingati temannya. Okay, next. Intan, please, next questions.
She was going to Japan next month.
Okay, so you can also answering a was, but this one ya, ini dia ada next month, jadi bukan was. Another answer? Jawaban yang lebih tepat?
Is.
Yeah, good. Is ya. Oke, it's okay Intan. Thank you. Jadi dia memang bisa was, tetapi di sini karena waktunya itu next month ya, jadi kita menggunakan is. We use is. Okay, next I would like to ask Dayu in the next question, please. Di unmute dulu Dayu Intan. I think Dayu Intan still have something wrong with the speaker.
Mic.
Yeah. Oh yeah, the mic.
Surahadra said her mic was
is broken.
Broken. It's okay. So Dewadi,
Misalnya dia mau buka mute mute mic.
Okay, Dewadi, please read the next question.
Okay, Miss. Her score of the football match between Mark's team and John's team is 5-1. I think John's team is going to lose.
Good. Is going to lose. Nice. Okay, next I would like to ask Viera. Yeah, Viera, please, the next.
Yay. Adverbs are words which used to describe verbs, adjective, and other adverb. There are 5 kinds of adverb. The examples of below are...
Okay, I forgot to add this one. The examples of interrogative adverb. Yeah, so the answer
What, who, and why.
Good. Yeah, interrogative. This interrogative is easy. Yeah. The interrogative word. What, who, and why. Nice. Next, I would like to ask Bima, please read the next questions.
Excuse me, miss, may I go to toilet?
Yes, you may.
The sentence below carefully. The underlined word refers to
Mr.
a
Park
verb
is old. He walks slowly.
of manner.
Good, adverb of manner. Ya, so mostly, kebanyakan, ya, adverb of manner is ending with ly, but not all. Tapi nggak semuanya. Okay, thank you, Bima. Next, Rizdia, please.
Okay, miss. Observe the data below. The
Mhm.
correct degree comparison to express the data is Wendy got 80 in math. Iran got 85 in math.
Mhm.
Iran is smarter than Wendy.
Okay, so we can say that Ira is smarter than Wendy because she got 85. Okay, thank you. Next. Okay, this one is picking some correct answers. Yeah, so the answers can be more than one. The answers are two answers. Okay, I would like to ask Akila, please read the next question.
There are two voices in English. They're active and passive voice. Example of passive voice below is shown by formula of passive voice. Object as subject plus to be is, am, are, or was, or were, plus verb 3 plus by plus subject as object.
Okay, thank you. So let's find the answer based on the formula. Yeah,
I'll find it.
This one object as the subject. Okay, we can find this one ada I and then my grandparents, the novel, and my friend. Okay, now we find is MR or was were. Oh, this one also was. This one were, is, and is. Okay, so the next is verb 3. Verb 3, yeah, visit. Visit, is it this one verb 3? Visit?
No.
No, yeah. Okay. And then visited. Is it correct? Verb
It
3?
is.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. Visited. And then return. Return is also verb 3, yeah. Okay, so this one is correct. And then buy. Yeah, here no. We already eliminate this one. Kita eliminasi and then buy. Yeah, this one buy also. And then subject as object. So you can find here. Now, let's read the sentence first. Kita baca sentence-nya. My grandparents were visited by me. Jadi, kakek dan nenek saya dikunjungi oleh saya. Ya, benar. And then, the novel is written by my friend. Jadi, the novel ditulis oleh teman saya. Oh, benar. And then how about this one? My friend is written by the novel. Teman saya ditulis oleh novel. So is it correct? So yeah, it's not correct ya. So the answer is the second and the third one. Tidak mungkin ya temannya ditulis oleh novel. Kalau novelnya ditulis oleh teman boleh, bisa ya. So this one the formula is correct. Formulanya correct, tapi the sense is not. Ya. Okay, next. I would like to ask. Andi, please.
Yes, Miss.
Yeah, Andi, please read this question.
Okay. Will and be going to are used to talk about the future. The correct sentence in using will and be going to are.
Mhm. Okay. So this one ya, you plus subject plus will plus verb one atau subject plus be going to plus verb one. So after will ya ada you will. Nah di sini verb one. This one is correct. And then they are go to joining. Ya ini is not correct karena di sini harusnya are going, bukan di sini ing-nya. And then the third one, we are going to join the meeting tomorrow. Yeah, this one correct. And then the last one, he will drinking. No. Yeah, verb one, not verb ing. Okay, next. I would like to ask Arya, are you there? Please read the next question. Okay, there is no answer. And then Arya is Where is Arya? No answer. Elgin, please. Read the next question. I would like to call students who did not turn on the video. No answers. And then Serafin, please.
Miss, apa namanya, mikrofonnya Elgin rusak ya, Miss.
Oh, Elgin
Soalnya
also.
kebanting gitu. Oh ya, she's not. Ya kebanting.
No answers again. Abim. Abim, please read the next question. No answer also. Wow. Gus Agung, please.
Oh, wait. Ada saya bersih, tar.
It's okay.
Okay, done.
Mhm.
Okay. Observe for the data below. Choose the correct statement based on data given. Data
Okay.
of the bank equal 50 meters, school equal 20 meters, museum equal 25 meters.
Okay, so let's find the correct answers. Yeah. The museum is the highest building. Is it correct? Museum paling
Yes.
tinggi? Yes. And then the school is higher than the museum. Is it correct?
No.
No. And then the bank is lower than the school. Bank is lower than the school. Is it correct?
Yeah.
Yeah. And then the last, just checking, the museum is the lowest building. No, yeah. Okay. Thank you, Gus Agung. Next, Mangayi, please. Next question. Okay, no answer. Abim, no answer. Nanda, how about Nanda? No answer also. Okay.
Ya, Miss. Ada saya bantu, Miss. Saya tadi ke toilet, Miss.
Oh, Abim, please read the next question. Baca yang ini, Abim.
Bisa, Miss.
Verb are words which used to describe verb, adjective, and order adverb. There are 5 kinds of adverb. The example of adverb of manner below are
Adverb of manner. Who knows the answer? Ada yang tahu jawabannya? Adverb of manner.
Saya.
Okay.
Carelessly.
Carelessly and
Slowly.
slowly. Good. Okay, next. Gong Naya.
Udah kuduga saya dipanggil.
Ya, pasti.
There are 3 kinds of degree comparison. There are positive, comparative, and superlative degree. The correct comparative degree below are
Okay, comparative. You can see the hint or the clue here. Ya, ada ER atau more. Okay, who knows the answer?
the rabbit is faster than the tortoise.
Good. The rabbit is faster. Ada ER. And then one more.
The cotton is softer than the rock.
The cotton is softer than the rock. Good. Okay, next. Next question is true and false. Okay, I will need someone to read first. Cynthia, are you there? Please unmute yourself.
Hello, Miss.
Yes, Cynthia, please read this sentence, this question, please.
Here I provide some sentence in passive voice. Analyze the sentence, then tick through if passive voice is correct, and tick false if it.
Okay. So here the formula of passive voice ya, sama seperti yang tadi. Let's check. They visited by the museum. So this one is not correct. Ya, kenapa tidak benar? Because we cannot find is MR here or was were. Ya. Okay, and then the next. The apple is eaten by my brother. So what do you think? Is it true or false?
True.
Itu dimakan oleh
True.
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 And then the next. My sister written by the story. Is it true or false?
False.
False.
Ya.
Story cannot read people.
Tidak bisa ya. And then
Story nggak bisa
next.
nulis.
The ball is kicked by Justin.
True.
True. Okay. And then the last. The events are handled by him.
Yes.
True.
Yes.
True.
Okay. Yeah, there are
True.
three answers for true and then 2 answers for false. Next.
Yeah.
Okay, choosing simple present tense and past tense. I would like to ask Pikan to read the next question, please.
Okay. Read the sentence below carefully. Please read the passive voice below carefully, then choose its tense. Simple present tense use is MR. Simple past tense use was, were.
Okay, so this one is the clue. Yeah, let's check the first. The zoo was visited by them. Simple present or past? Ada was di
Present.
sini? Ada was?
Pas.
Pas.
Yeah, past. Good. How about this one? The comic was read by my brother. Was.
Pas.
Past. Good.
Pas.
The class is cleaned by the helper.
Simple present.
Good. Science is taught by Mr.
Simple
Oka.
present.
Simple
Present.
present. The noodle, a plate of
Last
noodle
one is present.
yeah, present.
Present.
Good job. Okay, next question I would like to ask. Arya. Ya, Arya baca please this one.
Dia yang ini Miss.
This
The
one ya.
word
The
below
word.
kinds verb got the words into the kinds at verb.
Okay, so let's
Tomorrow
categorize.
time.
Yeah,
Time.
tomorrow time. Good. How about eagerly? Who knows?
Manner.
Manner. Good. Why?
Why
Interrogative. Good. Always.
Adverb of number or frequency.
Good. Inside.
Place.
Place. Ah, good.
Kalau yang nggak bisa dijawab, saya jawab
Okay.
yang lain dulu.
Sambal 1, 2, 3.
Next.
Saya tahu itu.
Nanda, are you there?
Pertama komparatif yang pertama.
Ada.
Okay, so let's just answer together ya. Kita jawab sama-sama. Okay, so 3 kinds of degree comparison. Yeah, so now we will categorize its kind. William is older than Fred. We can find older here. Older than. Positive,
Of
comparative.
course, it was comparative.
Comparative. Good. Rose is as kind as Jenny.
Positive.
Positive. And then the last, the slowest,
Superlative.
superlative. Okay, now this the last part, yeah. So for number 1 and 2, changing into passive. The room is blank blank blank
Clean.
by the helper. Clean?
Clean.
Yeah, clean. Kita tambah ed. Good. The shirt was washed. Yeah, washed tulisannya washed. And then next, look at the sentence below. The word which refers to adverb of number or frequency.
Always.
Yeah, always. Yeah, always. Mhm. Always. Okay, observe the picture below. Rose is blank 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 of all children. Rose is 8 years old, Jack is 5 years old, Jill 2 years old. Good, ya, the oldest. Dia yang paling tua. The oldest. And then the last one, the height of a coconut tree is 300 centimeters. The height of a durian tree is 200 centimeters. So the durian tree is lower or lowest?
Lower.
Good.
Some durian tree on my house.
Okay, so that is it for the exercises, yeah. Okay, so I think you already also get comparison degree on bahasa Inggris, right?
Yes. Apa namanya? Yesterday.
Yesterday. Wow, yeah, it's the same.
KM.
Mhm.